Go, love.
Ay, hello.
Hey! Okay. Game 2. Game 2. First five. Team Good. Sir Esme, Mimi, TY, Wency, and Sir Zoren. For Team Wicked, Kaloy, Odds, Arnel, Roy, and Ken. Referee, Sir Julius. Let's go! Appear. Let's go! 8 minutes per quarter. Let's go! Sheesh! Sir Esme, unang bola. Pasa kay Mimi. Mimi, shoot! Shoot! First 2 points for Team Good. Pasa kay Kaloy, nagbitawan ng bola. Nasipa, napunta kay Sir Esme. Sir Esme tatakbo. Babantayan ni Arnel. Sir Esme, dediretso, may foul! Shooting foul kay Arnel. 2 free throws for Sir Esme. First free throw. Di pumasok. Second free throw. Hindi ulit pumasok. Rebound ni Kaloy. Kaloy, tatakbo ang bola. Nahanap ng kakampi. Screen by Arnel. Nice one. Kaloy for rebound ulit ni Sir Esme. Papasa kay Mimi. Oh! Lakas. Turnover for Team Good. Arnel, ibababa ang bola. Susugod sa loob. Pasok. Team Wicked, 2 points. Arnel, 4-2. Sir Esme, babantayan ni Kaloy. Turnover for Team Good. Remaining time, 6 minutes, 48 seconds. Arnel ulit sa baba. Pasok. 2 points for Team Wicked. Sir Esme magbababa ng bola. Pasok kay Mimi. Sir Esme, kinuha ang bola. Shoot sa ilalim. Nice one. Ay, hala. Taga-point pala ako. Sorry. Tied score. 4-all. Odds. The dribble. Shoot. Sablay. Rebound ni Kenel. Pinasa kay Arnel. Papasok si Arnel sa ilalim. Pasok. 6 points for Team Wicked. 3-4-3 for Arnel. Wency. Pinasa kay Sir Esme. Kay Wency, binalik ang bola. Tetris. Pinasa ulit kay Sir Esme. Babalik kay Mimi. Shoot. Sobra. Rebound ni Roy. Pinasa kay Arnel. Arnel magbababa ng bola. Dribble. Pinasa kay Roy. Si Roy pinasa kay Ken. Rebound ni TY. Sir Esme, bababa ang bola. Bababa, papasok sa loob. Papasok! Counted for Team Good. Sir Esme. Score is tied. 6-all. Remaining time, 5 minutes. Si-screen si Kaloy kay Odds. Screen ulit. Shoot si Odds. Rebound ni Wency. Pasa kay Mimi. Tatakbo ni Mimi ang bola pababa. Naghihintay ng teammates. Pinasa kay Sir Zoren. Nagbitaw ng bola. Kinuha ni Kaloy. Kaloy tatakbo. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Sir Esme. Sir Esme, tatakbo pababa ang bola. Umikot. Shoot. Walang foul. Kuha ni Arnel ang bola. Pinasa kay Kaloy. Kaloy. Hawak ang bola. Nanghihingi ng screen. Nakuha ni, natapik ni Mimi. Natapik. Pinasakay. Shot clock. Okay. Walang tawag. Tuloy ang laro. Nakuha ni, ang rebound ay nakuha ni TY. Nasakay. Wency. Tetres. Air ball. Team Wicked's ball. Audrey magbababa ng bola. Remaining time 3 minutes 28 seconds. Odds pinasa kay Kaloy. Kaloy mag-tetres. Rebound ni Sir Zoren. Sir Zoren kay TY binigay ang bola. TY magbababa. Nabibitawan ang bola. Okay. Oops! Nakuha ang bola ni Audrey. Shoot! Pasok para kay Kaloy. Remaining time, 2 minutes, 53 seconds. Score, 8-6. Mimi, shoot. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Arnett. Screen from Audrey. Kay Audrey pupunta ang bola. Binapunta ni Sir Esme. Screen ni Ken. Shoot ni Audrey. Nice one. 2 points. Score 10-6 in favor of Team Wicked. Papasok ang press ni TY. 3 points for Team Good. Audrey, di-dribble ang bola. Binabantay ni Mimi. Nangihingi ng bola. Kaloy, isi-shoot. Hindi pumasok. Sir Zoren for the rebound. Pinasa kay TY. Mimi nangihingi ng bola. Na-intercept ni Roy. Binigay kay Kaloy. Balik ang bola sa Team Wicked. Papasok si Kaloy sa ilalim. Rebound ni Sir Esme. Kay Mimi ulit. Ang lakas ng pasa. Another turnover for Team Good. Remaining time for the first quarter, 1 minute, 28 seconds. Binigay kay Arnel. Tetres si Arnel. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Sir Zoren. Sir Esme, bababa ang bola. Naghahanap ng teammates. Kanino ipapasa? Kay TY? Tetres si TY? Tres. Hindi pumasok. Okay. Kuha ni Arnel ang rebound. Audrey. Di-dribble ng di-dribble. Dribbler. Remaining time, 48 seconds. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Pinasa kay Arnel. Tetres si Arnel. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Short. Shot clock violation for Team Wicked. Bola ng Team Good. Inbound. I-inbound ni Wency. Sir Esme, bababa ng bola. Remaining time, 36 seconds. Wait, hindi tumatakbo yung oras. Sir, yung oras. Hindi tumatakbo. Tumba si TY. Another inbound for Team Good. Wency ulit. Mag-i-inbound ng bola. Hanapin si Sir Esme. Sir Esme, binabantayan ni Kaloy. Nakawala. Bitin ang shoot. Nakuha ulit ni Sir Esme. Bitin pa din. Kuha ulit ni Sir Esme. Time, 26 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Shoot si Wency ng press. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni TY. TY, papasok! 2 points for Team Good. 10 seconds remaining on the first quarter. 4 seconds. 8 seconds. Oh, na-reset ang ating clock. Sorry guys, 4 seconds. Not counted. That will be the end of the first quarter. Dikit ang ating score. 11 for Team Good, 10 for Team Wicked. Second quarter on the way. Leading scorers, Arnel for Team Wicked with 6 points and TY for Team Good with 5 points. Inbound, Weekend. Kaloy, may hawak ng bola. Pinabantayan ni Ton. Bitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Ton ng bola. Nice one. Oops. Pasa kay Wency. Pasa kay Sir Esme. Foul! Shooting foul. 2 free throws for Wency. First free throw. Ah, hindi pumasok. Second free throw. Shoot! Hindi pumasok. TY makukuha ang bola. Rebound ni TY. Papasa kay. Nakuha ni Roy. For the steal. Pinasa kay Zoren. Nakuha ni Ken. Nakuha ni TY. Anis, Ton. Ton, ibababa ang bola. Tumatakbo. Pinasa kay TY. TY susugod sa ilalim. Hindi nakuha. Rebound ni Kaloy. Pero pinag-aagawan ng bola. Oh, jump ball. Nice defense. Pagod na ang ating mga players. Hindi pala jump ball. Bola pala ng Team Good. Inbound. Wency. Sir Esme. Sir Esme. Papasok ang bola sa ilalim. Pinasa kay Sir Zoren. Sir Zoren! Hindi pumasok. Rebound. Oops. Out of bounds na pala ang bola. Turnover ulit para sa Team Good. Dribble. Remaining time for the second quarter, 6 minutes, 42 seconds. Screen from third. Binigay kay Kaloy. Tetras. Hindi. Nice defense by Ton. Nakuha ni TY ang bola. That is a turnover for Team Good. Tumatakbo si Sir. Foul kay Sir Esme. Ay. Si Serbs. Bentoy for Ton. Inbound. Tetres. Si Wency. Hindi papasok. Bola ng Team Wicked. Inbound. Dribble. Audrey. Magawa ng play. Binabantayan ni Bentoy. Palit ng binabantayan kaya Roy, pinasa ang bola. Si Kaloy, sa ilalim. Tapos si Audrey Colette. Medyo naipit sa loob. Pero ang gulo na. Okay. Kay Ken, shoot. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni TY. 24 seconds. Shot clock violation. Medyo malapit na doon. Nag-ring na ang bell. Pinasa kay Wency. Okay. Nice pass! Nice assist from Wency to TY. Kaloy, mag-dribble. Dribble. Pabantayan ni Sir Esme. Hihingi ng screen. Hindi nabigyan ng screen. Nagpalit ng defender. Bentoy versus Kaloy. Foul kay Bentoy. Substitution for Team Wicked. Pabalik na si Arnel for serves. And then, bago tayong tao, si Clean para kay shooting na. Shoot si Kaloy. 2 points for Team Wicked. Chris, may gagawa ng play. Ihingay ba ng Two defenders. Kay TY, pinasa ang bola. Pinasa ulit kay Sir Esme. Shoot si Sir Esme. Shoot. Pinasa kay Kalo. Ay, kay Bentoy. Pick mag-inbound. Arnel, mag-dribble. Papasa kay Kaloy. Papasa ulit kay Arnel. Arnel, papasok sa ilalim. Pumasok. Nakuha ulit ni Arnel. Nakuha ni Odrick. Hindi ulit pumasok. Nakuha na sa wakas ng Team Good. Oh! Steal ni Kaloy. Shoot. Hindi pumasok. Nakukuha ni last touch. TY. Bola ng Team Wicked. Substitution. For Bentoy, papasok na si Mimi. For Roy, papasok si Shing. Remaining time for the second quarter. 3 minutes, 47 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock for Team Wicked. Odrick, pinabutay ni Mimi. Mimi, the double team si Odrick. Switch! Bola. Masuk sa ilalim si Arnel. 2 points for Team Wicked. Team Good, ibababa ang bola ni Sir Esme. Papasa kay Mimi. Mimi, mag-shoot. Shoot nga ba? Bitin. Nakuha ni TY. Foul. Naghanap ng tawag ang Team Good, pero walang tinawag. So, player choose. Bola ng Team Wicked. Fade away shot. Nakuha ni Sir Esme ang rebound. Tumatakbo pababa. Nagmamadali si Sir Esme. Nabitawan ang bola pero hindi. Isushoot niya. Nice one! 2 points for Team Good. Wow! Odrick. Dribble. Nabantayan ni Mimi. Dribble ulit. Nabantayan pa din ni Mimi. Si Arnel. Pinasa kay Arnel ang bola. Lumipat si Mimi kay Arnel. Up. Nabitawan ang bola pero shoot. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Shing. Nagpasa ulit kay Arnel. Nakuha na ni TY. Pinasa ni TY kay Mimi. Mimi. Shoot. 2 points for Mimi. Remaining time, 1 minute, 52 seconds. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Nabantayan na Mimi si Arnel. Pumasok sa ilalim si Arnel. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Sir Esme. Papasa ulit kay Mimi. Foul called sa kaninang 2 free throws for Arnel. First free throw. Shoot! Nice one. Hindi na pumasok. Rebound ni TY. Kay Sir Esme. Pinasa kay Wency. 4-2. Hindi pumasok Sir Esme. Foul! There will be a foul called kay Clint. First free throw. Shoot! Shoot pa din! 2 for 2 for Sir Esme. Remaining time for the second quarter, 1 minute, 17 seconds. Odrick, dribble. Pinasa kay Kaloy. Kaloy, na-intercept sa loob. There will be a foul. Kay TY. First free throw. Shoot! Nice one. Second free throw. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Wency. Nakuha ang bola ni Sir Zorn. Pinasa kay TY. Foul called on Clint. bola pa rin ng Team Good. Inbound to Mimi. Mimi, dribble. Papasa kay Wency. Binalik kay Mimi. Si Mimi magda-drive, nawala ang bola, pinasa kay Sir Esme. Sir Esme shoot, hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Shing. Nawala ang bola. Okay, pinasa kay Arnel. Takbo. Run for your life. Shoot ni Arnel. 2 points for Arnel. Lumalaban yung mga bata. Remaining time for the second quarter, 25 seconds. 16 seconds on the shot clock for Team Good. Sir Esme naghahanap ng papasahan. Wency, sinut patres. Hindi pumasok, nakuha ni Tiway. Ang lakas ni Tiway sa ilalim. Walang foul na tinawag. Okay, 8 seconds. Hindi pumasok ang shoot ni Arnel ngayon. 4 seconds! Wala na. Hoy, wala na, sir! Time's up! Kanina pa time, sir. Hindi counted. Kanina pa 0. Nung nakuha ni, Kaloy, 0 na. Nung nakuha ni Kaloy, 0 na. End of first half. Close! 18-19. Third quarter. First possession. Team Wicked. Audrey. Dribble. Pinasakay. Nakuha ni Tiway ang bola. Oops! Pasa kay Ton. Pinasa kay Sir Esme. Sir Esme for the shot! First point for the third quarter. Sir Esme. Ton. Dribble. Pinasa kay Kaloy. Binabantayan ni Ton. Shoot si Kaloy. Hindi pumasok. Rebound Sir Joren. Sir Esme. Magdi-dribble. Pinasa kay Ton. Si Ton ang bababa ng bola. Sir Ton. Sir Esme. Papasok sa loob. Ooh! That was a nice fake. Shoot. 2 points. Baka napasukan ng pawis yung mata niya. Possession ng Team Wicked. Dribble. Hawk ni Arnel. Binalik kay Odds. Bantayan ni Ton. Step back. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni TY. Pinasa kay Wency. Sir Esme. Ibababa ang bola. Binabantayan ni Serge. Oops! Hindi ka nang bitawan ng bola. Pinasa kay Ton. Si Ton. Bantayan ni Odds. Nice screen. Oops! Nabitawan ng bola ni TY. TY. Dito sa ilalim. Ooh! Tumba si TY. With Team Good. Inbound ni Wency. Sir Esme, binabantayan ni Serge. Screen from Hello. Ay. Tingnan si Wency. Nine seconds on the shot clock. Wait! Nag-run yung nyo. Wency, pinasa kay shoot si Ton. Hindi pumasok. Sayang. TY for the rebound. Ipapasok. Hindi pumasok. Kuha ulit ni TY. Walang tawag. Wicked. Tatakbo ang bola. Audrey, pinasok. Hindi pumasok. Kuha ni Sir Esme ang rebound. Team Good, ibababa ang bola. Sir Esme, pumasok sa ilalim. Hindi pumasok ang shoot. Wency. For the 2 points. Masakit ang kamay ni TY. Papalitan ni Cho will replace TY. Kaloy. Dribble, ipapasa kay Arnel. Tres. Hindi pumasok na rebound. Third. Pinasa ulit kay no count. Foul called on Ton. 8 seconds on the shot clock for Team Wicked. Binalik kay nice defense. Rebound by Wency. Wency, nakuha ang bola ni Arnel. Arnel, didikdik sa ilalim. Hindi pumasok ang bola. Kuha ni Wency on Clint. Bola, hawak ulit. Nagkakagulo sa ilalim. Napasa ang bola. Oops! Napasa kay Ton. Di-dribble ang foul called on serves kay Ton. Nice call. That was a good call. Medyo napapagod na sila. Nice defense sa ilalim. Wency, Tetris, hindi pumasok. Sayang. Rebound si Clint. Pinasakay. Nakuha ni Wency ang bola. Wency, shoot, hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Arnel. Arnel, tumatakbo pa gala. Arnel. Pinabantayan na ni Sir Esme. Oops, kinuha. Nakatapik ni Ton ang bola. Pasa kay Kaloy, naganap ng kalaban. Napunta sa kalaban na. Wency, tumatakbo. Wency, foul called on serve. That will be 2 free throw. Pangalawa na this time. Hindi ko alam kaninang first kung meron siyang foul eh. 2 free throws para kay Wency. Ang bilis sa mga pangyayari. First free throw ay hindi pasok para kay Wency. Arnel will be subbed by Ken. 14 wicket. Arnel and serves out. Ken L and Roy in. Second free throw for Wency. I shoot. Remaining time 3 minutes 37 seconds for the third quarter. Dribble si Audric. Pinasakay. Roy. Napunta kay Audric ulit. Nice screen from Ken. Kaloy. Shoot. Nakuha ni Wency ang rebound. Ipapasa kay Sir Esme. Nakahabol ni Kaloy pero hindi umabot. Shoot for Sir Esme. 28-18. Oops! Hindi ka na mabitawan ng bola. Nice defense nito. Oops! Rebound ni Ton. Pinasa kay Sir Esme. Hinahabol si Sir Esme ni Kaloy. Shoot from Sir Esme. 2 points again for Sir Esme. Timeout called by Team Wicked. Remaining time 2 minutes 44. Score 30-18. Hihinga muna saglit ng mga players. Hindi na pa sila nagkakarambola para sa bola. Karambola. Inbound for wicket. Odds. Magdibig-dibig. Binabantayan ni Mimi. Shoot ng 3. Oops! Bitin. Team Goods possession. Sir Esme. Bababa ang bola. For the slowdown. Remaining time 2 minutes 20 seconds for the third quarter. Ton. Di-dribble. Pinasa kay Wency. Wency libre. Sinut. Hindi pumasok. Out of bounds ang rebound ni Clint. Good ball. Possession will stay with Team Wicked. Good. Team Good. Ton, di-dribble. Pinasa kay Sir Esme. Sir Esme naghahanap ng teammate. I-shoot niya ng 3. Oh my God! Hindi na-shoot. Rebound ni Arnel for the dribble. Arnel. Nabantayan ng Mimi. Pinasa kay Ken. Shoot si Ken. Shoot! 2 points for Team Wicked. for Sir Esme. +1. +1. Free throw. Free throw for Sir Esme. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Wency. Shoot! 2 points! For Team Good. Nice rebound. Arnel, dribble. Nabantayan ni Ton. Pinantayan ni Mimi. Sumugod sa ilalim. Shoot! Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Sir Esme. Bibigay kay Mimi. Napunta sa legs. So, mag-slow down si Mimi. Pasa mo kay Ton. Mimi, humihingi ng bola. Dadrive sa ilalim. Oops! Naliigan. Third. Oops! Out of bounds ang rebound ni Sir Zoren. Last touch ni Sir. Si Clint daw ang last touch. So, bola will stay with Team Good. Mimi, shoot. Rebound ni. Oops! Rebound ni Audrey. Arnel, dribbling the ball. Arnel, susugod sa ilalim. Walang may foul. There will be a foul called kay... Sino pong may foul? Sir Esme. Substitution for Team Wicked. Si Kaloy for Ken L. First free throw. Bitin. Second free throw. 9 seconds remaining after this. Shoot! 1 point for... Wala pang 9 seconds. Pagbitaw. Okay. Replay ng laro. 9 seconds on the clock. Sir Esme, saan pupunta si Sir Esme? Diretso kaya siya sa ilalim. Pinasa kay Mimi. Kay Mimi pinasa. Wala na. Not counted. And the third quarter. Score 34-21. Sir Esme. Ang unang tatanggap ng bola. Pinabantayan ni Arnel. For the close. Ang close nyo naman. Oops, naiwan. Nice screen yan kay PY. Oops. Foul kay Kaloy. Reset ng shot clock to 14. Inbound for Team Good. Mimi will inbound. Kay Sir, kanino? Kay TY. TY, babalik kay Mimi. Mimi, di dribble. Shoot. Naghanap ng foul si Mimi kay Kaloy. Team Wicked will get the ball. Kaloy, dribble. Papasa kay Arnel, binabantayan ni Mimi. Nag-screen siya. Nabitawan ng bola. Pinag-aagawan ng bola. Nakuha ni. Nag-agawan. Team Wicked's ball. 7 minutes 14 seconds on the clock. Pinasa kay Arnel, Tetres. Pasok! Lumabas! Last touch. Last touch ni Clint for the rebound. Sayang. Team Good. Sir Esme. Bababa ang bola. Hintay si Arnel para magbantay. Dribble. Screen from Sir. Oops! Intercepted. Oops! Ito ni Sir Zoren. Shot clock violation for Team Good. ulit kay binantayan. Oops. Nice. Nice pass sana. Shoot. Pasok para kay Arnel. 2 points. Sir Esme. Nababa ang bola. TY binabantayan niya. Raral. Nasakta na naman si TY. What happened, Bella? Wala. Naagaw ni. Oops. Saloy, Tetres, hindi pumasok. Makukuha ni Arnel ulit ang bola for the rebound. Oops, natulak si. Walang tawag. 2 points. Pasok. Tetres si Arnel. Pasok! 3 points. 4 minutes, 45 seconds remaining on the fourth quarter. Daijoubu desu. Sorry, nawala. Pasok! Timeout called by Team Good. Di ba dapat, pwede ba yun? Patungan mo yung timeout? Sige. So official game. Parang wala akong nakitang game first time. Game resumes. 4 minutes, 19 seconds left sa fourth quarter. Alert! Alert! Sir Esme. Binulak yung ini-screen. Yung screen, pinatulak pala. TY. Ilalo. Nice block. Arnel for the dribble. Dribble din si Odds. Tres. Biten. Rebound ni TY. Oops. Go, sir! Foul! Captain. 2 points for Sir Esme plus 1 free throw. Dribble. Oops, nice one! That would be a turnover for Team Wicked. So Esme, bababa ang bola for Team Good. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 9 seconds. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Pinasa kay Ton. Ton, kahanap ng shoot. Tetres si Wensi, biten. Nakuha ni TY ang rebound. TY, pinapakalma ang teammate. Sir Esme, double team, pinasa kay Ton. Ton, nabitawan ng bola, nakuha ulit. Ton, naghahanap ng kakampi, pinasa. Bola ng Team Wicked. 2 minutes, 33 seconds. Shoot ni Arnel, pasok. 2 points. Wala siya kay Arnel. Pinasakay sa loob, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Wensi, bibigay kay Ton. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Foul called. Foul called on Clint. 2 free throws for TY. Nice assist from Sir Esme. 1 minute 24 seconds remaining. Audrey, dribble. Arnel, Tetris. Board. Rebound by Ton. Ton, ibababa ang bola. Pinasa kay Sir Esme. Nabitawan ni Sir Esme ang bola. Nakuha ulit. Pinasa kay Wensi. Tetris. Airball. Time out called by Team Wicked. 58 seconds remaining in the ball game. Current score 32-39 in favor of Team Good. Back to the ball game. Team Wicked. Kaloy, di-dribble. Binabantayan. Ton. Oops. Hindi ka na mabitawan ng bola. Oops. Ay! Hindi pumasok. Crucial. Sir Esme for the rebound. Trying to foul, I think. 42 seconds on the clock. Foul on Kaloy to stop the clock. Penalty na pala ang Team Wicked. So, every foul. Pang-apat pa lang, sir. So, hindi pa team penalty. Possession pa lang. Wala pang free throw. Sir Esme, nag-uubos ng oras. 33 seconds on the clock. Screen from Tom. Screen again from Turnover or last touch? Foul called pala sa ilalim. Sorry guys, ito na yung kita live. 2 free throws for Sir Esme dahil penalty na ang Team Wicked. First free throw. Hindi pumasok. Second free throw. Pumasok. 1 point. Arnel mag-dribble. Tetris si Arnel. Papasok. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by Sir Zoren. Boxed out. Ang mga Wicked. Oops. Foul on Arnel. Kay Sir Esme para ma-stop ang ating time. 9 seconds on the clock. Remaining time na yan. For the whole game. 2 free throws for Sir Esme para madagdagan ang kanilang lamang. First free throw. Hindi pumasok. Second free throw. Pasok. Substitution for Team Good. 5 seconds. Nat will be fouled. Nat will get 2 free throws. Ay. First free throw. Hindi pumasok. Second free throw. Pasok! 1 point for Nat. Time! End of ball game. 32-42. Winner, Team Good. Nice game.
Next game. 3 lang ulit.
3 lang points, no?